Hey guys, and welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, and I promise you, I have been working on consistency. So I've been brainstorming and trying to come up with a plan to make me more consistent. Gotta hold myself accountable. I want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to me, and the few people that has left comments. I really do appreciate that. It makes me want to continue to make videos. With that being said, I have come up with a plan, and from now on you can look for uploads from me on Mondays and Thursdays. Okay, I'm going to hold myself accountable, and I need you to help me do that. So if you don't see me on a Monday or Thursday, jump in those comments. Mercy, where are you? What's going on? Hold me accountable. But you know, I'm really going to try to stick with this plan, and I can do that. Mondays and Thursdays are my upload days. Okay? We got that business out of the way. So today, what are we going to cook today? Today we're going to make some crushed pineapple beets. It's more like pineapple beets. So it's few ingredients. You're going to need some crushed pineapple and a can of beets. We have some brown sugar here. You're going to need some butter, cornstarch, a little salt, and some lemon juice. And this is all we're going to need to put our pineapple beets together. And if this interests you, it's a tasty little dish. And if you like beets and pineapple, perfect. You're going to enjoy this. It's a nice little side dish. To me, it's a nice little snack. So, and also you're going to need some type of a pot to cook in. And I'm just going to use my electric skillet today to cook in, just to make things move along a little bit faster and easy to clean up, and you don't have to turn the stove on in the house. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this dish. I'm going to remove my lid from my skillet, turn it up to a medium heat. And the first thing we're going to add is our brown sugar. And we're going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay. So guys, when I do my recipes, I try to tell you what ingredients I am putting in real time here. So we need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Sometimes I don't have time to put the recipe in the description box, but most of the time I try to make sure that I do. Also, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to put a pinch in there. We're going to open up those crushed pineapples, and I love these containers that are easy access. You don't have to have a can opener or anything, but just be very careful with that. Okay, we're going to get that in there. Oh, look at that. You see that brown sugar starting to caramelize already? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's going to be good. And we're gonna get all this in here, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. So go ahead and let these ingredients here marry together. You hear that? That is my brown sugar, and it'll loosen up as the liquids continue to thicken. It'll loosen up. There's no worries with that. But I could have very well put my pineapples in first, but why not live on the edge a little bit? We're gonna put our lid back on and let that thicken up. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my can of beets with my can opener, and it comes with the juice in there. You want to go ahead and drain off all of that juice. You don't want any of that juice to go in there. You could drink that beet juice. And as you can see, our pineapple have thickened up. And now we're just going to go ahead and add these beets to those crushed pineapples. Tell me that's not a good eat. It's going to be really, really good. I'm going to turn this down a little bit because we're going to get our last two ingredients into this dish. So the last few things we're going to need are 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm just going to cut it up a little bit so I can sprinkle it about my pan so it won't all be just in one spot. Don't you worry, my hands are clean and this dish is absolutely for my family. Okay, we also will need 1 tablespoon of some lemon juice. Let's go ahead and turn this back up, and then we're going to let this cook an additional 5 minutes. Oops, making a mess. Let's add some lemon juice to that. Give this a good stir. Nice little fruity dish. Because I love pickled beets. And these pineapple beets, you got a little sweet and savory going on here. We're going to give it 5 minutes. And we're going to plate these beets and pineapple up. See you in a bit. Oh, check out that. Everything is thickened up. And it is ready. What do you guys think? You ready for a taste? Let's grab us a plate. Go ahead and grab us some of those beets and pineapple. Wonderful. Oh wow, check that out. Ooh, it's super hot. Look at that. Pineapple beets. Now I know me. Certain stuff I like cold, and then certain stuff I will eat hot. Let's go ahead and give them a try hot. It's hot, guys. It's good. But I know I like mine's more of a room temperature, not hot straight out of the pan. It's the perfect balance. Most definitely much cooler for me. Because I love beets. I hope you guys go ahead and give this recipe a try. It's very simple. Nothing fancy. You can find it easily in the grocery store. This is really good. But I'm definitely going to let mine cool down. And this is going to be my nice little treat later on this evening. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, excuse me, please go ahead and subscribe to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. I would love to have you over here. Please get down there and leave me some comments and let's chat it up a bit. And tell me what you would do different with this pineapple beet dish. I'm telling you, if you like pineapples and if you like beets, you're going to absolutely love this dish. But like I said, I like my pineapple and my beets a little bit room temperature. So this would definitely be a winner once it cools down. Okay guys, like, share, and subscribe, and I thank you for joining me. And don't forget, upload days are Mondays and Thursdays. I haven't come up with the time yet, but definitely Mondays and Thursdays. And I will see you guys on the next one. So today that I'm recording this is a Tuesday. So you definitely will get this one on Thursday. So I will see you on Thursday. Bye.